traders. In this video, we are looking at the watermark indicator for MT4 and MT5. This visual enhancement tool allows you to display custom text, logos, or account details directly on your chart, making it perfect for branding, content creation, screenshots, and video tutorials. In this video, you will see what the watermark indicator does, how it enhances chart clarity, and which key features are highlighted. The watermark indicator MT4 and MT5 is a visual enhancement tool rather than a technical analysis indicator designed not to provide buy or sell signals but to serve as an organizational and clarity tool by overlaying text or graphics on trading charts. It displays information such as the currency pair symbol, time frame, or any custom text that the trader wishes to show, making it easy to identify which chart is being viewed without confusion. When monitoring multiple charts simultaneously, having a watermark in the background ensures traders know exactly which chart they are analyzing, reducing errors and allowing for faster, more confident decision making. On the charts, the watermark indicator displays the name of the instrument prominently in the background. For example, you can see our XAUUSD for the 1 hour time frame here in the chart. Traders can customize the watermark to show any desired text, including reminders such as trend only strategy, use stop loss, or other notes relevant to their trading plan. Font and style adjustments allow users to change font type, size, color, and placement, while transparency control ensures the watermark text does not obscure candlesticks, indicators, or other chart elements. So this can be found in the settings. As I previously said, the watermark can be positioned anywhere on the chart, including top left, center, bottom right, or any other position, ensuring it does not interfere with key chart areas. Opacity settings make the watermark blend smoothly with the background, like I previously said, allowing traders to adjust transparency so the watermark remains visible without overshadowing candlesticks or indicators. The indicator also works across all time frames from 1 minute scalping charts to monthly long-term analysis charts, ensuring consistent visibility of the watermark with multi-time frame support. As for who is for, the watermark indicator is suitable for scalpers and day traders analyzing multiple pairs simultaneously who need quick recognition of each chart, trainers and educators who label charts with strategies and rules, and content creators who share charts online requiring professional presentation. Its strengths include eliminating confusion when handling multiple charts, enhancing efficiency by confirming chart details instantly, supporting trading discipline through motivational reminders, and adding a professional touch for shared analysis. However, it does not provide direct trading signals or analytical insights, and poorly configured watermarks can clutter charts or obscure price action, requiring proper customization to make the most of this organizational tool. You can download the watermark indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how adding custom text or graphics to charts can improve organization, reduce errors, and create a more personalized and professional trading environment. If you like chart clarity tools for branding and content creation, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.